Step into the 2012 GMC Sierra 1500. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are 2 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, air conditioning, automatic transmission, clock, in-radio display, cruise control, daytime running lights, dusk sensing headlights, engine hour meter and front seat type, split bench. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.